Football kicks vocabulary. Number 1. Backheel. It means passing or shooting the ball backward using the back part of your shoe. For example, he made a quick backheel to his teammate who was running behind him. Number 2. Bicycle kick. It means an acrobatic shot where a player throws their body upside down in midair to strike the ball over their own head. For example, the striker scored a beautiful bicycle kick right into the top corner of the net. Number 3. Clearance. It means kicking the ball far away from danger to protect your own team's penalty area. For example, the defender made a powerful clearance to stop the opponent's dangerous attack. Number 4. Curl. It means striking the ball in a way that makes it spin and bend its path through the air. For example, he managed to curl the free kick completely around the wall of defenders. Number 5. Keepy-uppy. It means juggling the ball continuously in the air using your feet, thighs, or head without letting it touch the ground. For example, the young player can do 100 keepy-uppies easily during training. Number 6. Side foot. It means striking the ball flatly with the wide inner side of the foot to ensure high accuracy over short distances. For example, he safely side-footed the ball into the open net from close range. Number 7. Toe punt. It means poking or stabbing the ball suddenly using the very front tip of your shoe. For example, in a crowded penalty box, he used a quick toe punt to surprise the goalkeeper. Number 8. Dummy. It means pretending to touch or kick the ball but letting it roll past your body instead to trick a defender. For example, the midfielder did a clever dummy, allowing the pass to reach the winger behind him. Number 9. Half-volley. It means striking the ball immediately after it hits the ground and just as it begins to rise. For example, he caught the falling ball on a perfect half-volley from outside the penalty area. Number 10. Volley. It means kicking the ball directly while it is airborne before it ever touches the grass. For example, the midfielder met the high cross with a stunning volley to score a goal.